Hey everybody, it's Neil and I have here a set of, these are like gaming, professional gaming headphones. So we're gonna try these out here if I can open them up without cutting myself. Let's see if we can get this open. There we go. So here we go. So it is the Sound Realm SR3000. That's the information on it right there. So if you need that, this is what it looks like packaged. So let's open this up and see what we got here. See what all these other pieces and parts are too. So we have those little loops that you can put around your ear if you like them, if you like that. I don't seem to ever really wear those, but it'll go around. I'll show you. And then it's got extra little tips, I guess, for different size ears. I'm gonna guess my ears are gonna fit this size. I always have the normal, regular size. Okay, so we have these here, and you can see on the backs of them, I don't know if you can see or not, it says R and L. So we know that this is the right, and this is the left. So here is it here. It's, I'm just gonna put them in my ears. I'm not gonna bother with those little strap things. I never know how to do those, but okay. Wow, it makes a very solid connection into my ears, so everything is cut out of the rest of the world. Okay, so let me plug this into my, where'd it go? Oh, right here. Oh, it's got a little cover over the little 3.5mm plug. And now I will turn up. Holy moly! I had it on full blast apparently. Okay, so the sound is phenomenal. Okay. Wow. Wow, this is good. Okay, I'm gonna take it off now. It sounds really good. These are really good. Okay, but it's got a little button on here, so it looks like the little button is the pause button. You see it pauses my video, and then the little button over here, the up and down one, is kind of like a volume setting, so you can kind of go set it wherever. It doesn't really move too much, but it does make a difference. So let me see if I pause it back again. I can adjust the sound here. So then if I turn this back up, wrong way, up all the way, I could keep that up all the way and then just use this one here for it. So this one here doesn't control the computer, it just has its own little device here. So I'm gonna go back to mute for that for right now. Just, but it's a really nice, and it's got nice flexible one here. I would say it's about 3 feet, probably the whole distance of this one here. And does it say anything else? It just says power button, press the power button to press. Oh no, that's something else. What does it say? Does it have anything? Oh, no. But I don't know, it works good, sounds good. Seems like good headphones, and it has, I guess, a microphone in there too. I'm unable to test the microphone right now, nobody to talk to. But I'm gonna assume it's pretty good if these headphones are really good. These sound way better, so if you like compare these to my AirPods or something like that, they're probably gonna be on equivalent par, but maybe even better. But if I compare it to like airplane ones, these are way far superior. So these are great. I love these little headphones. Super cool. Thumbs up for sure.